100 fruit name. This is a banana. This is an orange. These are grapes. This is an apple. This is a strawberry. This is a blueberry. These are cherries. These are raspberry. This is a mango. This is a blackberry. This is a watermelon. This is a pineapple. This is a cantaloupe. This is a honeydew melon. This is a kiwi. This is a peach. This is a plum. This is a nectarine. This is an apricot. This is a pear. This is a fig. This is a papaya. This is a passion fruit. This is a dragon fruit. This is a star fruit. This is a lychee. This is a rambutan. This is a guava. This is a pomegranate. This is a coconut. This is an avocado. This is a tomato. Tomato is a fruit. This is a gooseberry. This is a mulberry. These are cranberry. These are boysenberry. These are elderberry. These are loganberry. These are blackcurrant. This is a persimmon. This is a quince. This is a cementine. This is a grapefruit. This is a kumquat. This is a lime. This is a lemon. This is an ugly fruit. This is a durian. This is a jackfruit. This is a mangosteen. This is a longan. This is a loquat. This is a medlar. This is a pine berry. These are lanzones. These are Chinese berry. These are miracle fruit. This is a salac or snake fruit. This is a sapodilla. This is a soursop. This is a cherimoya. This is a feijoa. These are huckleberry. These are jujube. This is an apple. This is a breadfruit. This is a fingered catron. These are prickly pear. This is a kiwano fruit. These are Djibouti kabo. This is a Memi sapote. This is a Mamon kilo. This is a Maracuja. These are Nancy. These are Noni. These are Pitanga. These are red banana. This is a Java apple. This is a Santol. This is a sapote. This is a sugar apple. This is a tamarillo. These are tamarind. These are white currant. This is a canary melon. These are dates. This is a Crenshaw melon. These are Asia berry. These are choki berries. This is a bale fruit. This is a Maniola tangelo. This is a bilimbi. This is a cloudberry. This is a pomelo. This is an Asian pear. This is a calamansi. These are goji berries. This is a star apple.